Auto Paint 101, Clear Coat, and why it matters to you. Your vehicle has multiple layers of paint as depicted in this illustration. The vehicle body may be plastic or metal. Bumpers and mirrors are typically plastic, and panels, hood, door, trunk, roof, etc. are metal. The primer coat is the first level of paint and is applied to the entire vehicle. The color coat is the next level of paint. It is your vehicle's primary color. Then comes the final layer of paint, the clear coat. It is paint without any color added to it. When you wash and wax your vehicle, you are doing so to the clear coat rather than the color coat. A common pitfall is getting spray wax applied at the car wash, which over time results in a dull finish. In the normal course of its life, your vehicle's clear coat gets damaged. Occasionally, the damage extends to the color and primer coats, which exposes the underlying material, metal or plastic. Clear coat deterioration are called paint defects that require correction. Paint defects get contaminated, thereby making the car look dirty. Over time, the original new car shine becomes dull. Even though you might take it to a car wash on a regular basis, the finish never returned to its original luster. Here's an example of dull paint. Here's an example of severe clear coat deterioration. Here's an example of swirl marks and spidering. Here's an example of holograms. Professional detailing corrects the paint to restore its shine. This is a multi-step process that requires not only the right products, but the proper techniques and time in order to correct the paint from this to this. Our goal is to get your clear coat as clean and smooth as possible, and thus making it look like new. Detail Sarge has the expertise to make your vehicle look new again. Call us today to receive an on-site inspection and estimate. 512-380-1477.